Today we're going to be talking about Binance Launchpads, all right? This is a way that you can make literally thousands of percent gain on a single token. Now, I'm going to show you ones that are listed right now so you can kind of see what kind of gains you can make for different projects. And I'm also going to show you my little tool of insights on an article where you can find the next best ones that are about to list. Guys, you don't have to get into every single launchpad. It's completely up to you. I try and get in as many as I can. But remember, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, it is for education purposes only. If you feel comfortable, then get involved with a Launchpad. It's one of the easiest and biggest ways to grow your portfolio. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, guys, you can see here at launchpad.binance.com, okay, you can see some of the completed Launchpads. Now, if you got involved in, for example, the first one, IEO, all right, you can actually see the airdrop of 20 million was there. The project duration was only 4 days, and there's the end date. Okay, the participants, 162,000. And the total lot was 2 billion plus FDUSD, okay? So basically what you do, guys, is you get involved in one of these tokens, so IO, NOT, any of these, and you can earn yourself some tokens back, okay? If I click on the FDUSD pool, you'll actually be able to see, okay? You can see that this one was completely finished. The lock-in token was there. The maximum hourly airdrops, you can see all the different information that you need, all right? And you can make crazy percent. And to prove this to you, so I want to actually show you this on Binance, okay? IO to USDT. So you can see IO net to USDT here, and you can see this huge bullish momentum of price. Now, I want to show you why this is so important, okay? If you switch the view to trading view, you can actually use some of the tools to work out how much percent you would have made if you got involved in this launch pad right here. So if I go down and select the ruler, guys, all right, when this launched, it was on the 11th. You can see here the end of the launch pool was on the 11th. So if you purchased something, this guy, if you got locked into this token, you would have had a portfolio full of IO.net. So from the second it launched all the way to the highest point of the wick, okay, within 1 day, 24 hours, you would have made 4,343%. That's just on this one that I showed. This is the first one we clicked on. It ended here, so you would have already had your tokens, your airdrops would be in, and your airdrops would have gone from here, 4,343%, all the way to the top. Guys, that is increase in percent that you will not find anywhere else in the world, okay? And that's only on Binance Launchpad. Guys, this is absolutely insane. You can see some of the completed ones through this launch pool, and you can work it out for yourself. But I told you I'm going to give you a little bit of a hidden gem, and that is find out what is about to come up, the top 8 upcoming Bitcoin listings to watch. So number 1 is Blast Up. That's BLP, all right? This is a huge, huge project, and the pre-sale is moving along at a brisk pace. You've got Cybro, which is delivering unmatched DeFi yields, okay? You've got Pikamoon. You have Vayout, all right, VAIOT, which is merging AI and blockchain. You also have Bitfrost, okay? Enhancing the dApp development, really, really cool. Shiba Buds, which is fostering blockchain integration. You have Dogeverse, a dog theme meme token expanding across blockchains. This is something that actually everybody is talking about. Options to trade, okay? And guys, this is something I will say. If you decide that you want to get involved in any of them, just go and search the name and do some research, okay? You don't have to get involved in every single one. What I did is I checked all 8, and there is 7 of them that I'm going to get involved in, all right? But I don't want to influence you by saying you must get involved in this one. Do your own research, get into it. I just showed you can make 4,000% on the last one that got completed. You could sometimes make up to 12,000%, sometimes 2,000%. But I'm telling you, anything in the thousands of percent is worth getting involved in. So guys, hit that like button, hit subscribe at the bell button. I'm going to be bringing more videos out for you on this channel, talking about launchpads, not just Binance, but all across the blockchain board, all right? Because these are the easiest way that I've been able to be profitable, and I believe it's the easiest way that I can help you grow your portfolio. So let's get straight to it. Hit that link down below to get onto the Binance side, and I'll see you next time.